I'm going to show you how I create a school calendar for my homeschool using the free site calendarlabs.com. They have many to choose from, but I use the printable templates, specifically the 2024-25 school calendar. When you click on the link, you can scroll down to see horizontal and vertical templates, some with a note section on the right side. I prefer this vertical template because it fits on one page and I can see the whole year in a glance. Click here, and it'll download the Word document to your computer. You can also download it as a PDF, but I prefer to customize it using Word. When you open up the file, this is what you get: the school name at the top and the current calendar year. I prefer this 12-month calendar because my kids have classes throughout the year and I can track everyone's schedule. This is what it looks like when it's complete. I place our homeschool name at the top and customize each month according to our holiday and vacation schedule. I include the first day of school, federal holidays, as well as long vacations. I customize it with our logo, just because I think it's cool. As I'm creating my calendar, I include all of the school schedules that affect our school, such as our local public school district. Many of their friends attend public school, and it's easier for them to hang out together if we take breaks at the same time. Of course, when they were younger, I scheduled our vacations before and after their breaks so we could avoid long lines at the amusement park. We include the local community college schedule since my high schoolers take dual enrollment courses. You can see my calendar gets pretty full with all the different color-coded schedules. Finally, I have a college kid, so I add that schedule to my calendar as well. There's so many days and additional school-specific dates to consider, so I found this is the easiest and most comprehensive way to get organized. In Word, I'll add specific dates and descriptions on the right side of my calendar. When I want to highlight specific events on the calendar, I'll drag the cursor to select specific dates. Using the paint bucket tool, I'll select the color that I want to use. I'll choose orange, and there you go. Just add the note on the right side. I print off 2 calendars because I still have 2 at home with me. In my state, I'm required to keep an attendance record. Each day, I'll check off the date they attend school and highlight in orange the days that they are absent from class. This is a school calendar that I used for many years. It was blank and covered August through July. I would fill in the calendar dates, making sure I didn't make any mistakes because I had to use pen. In red, I'd cross off holidays, place a check mark for days present, and orange highlight for days absent. It worked fine for an attendance record, but I was always cross-referencing other calendars, so that made it more complicated. Other homeschoolers have used this habit tracker type form. You fill in the months on the left, and then for each day of the month, you check off days present and annotate absences. Again, I love using Calendar Lab's free downloadable calendars. It only takes me 30 minutes to update every year. If this was helpful to your homeschooling journey, don't forget to like, save, share, and subscribe. Take care. God bless.